present from Pooter. Are you out of your freaking mind? Is that what I think it is? Are you out of your mind? Is that what I think it is? You're out of your mind. You know, Mom, can you go get me, Mom? Jeremy, hold this.
Open the gift.
Just relax for like 2 seconds. I know exactly.
No, open the gift.
Thank you. Whoa! It's a single cup
Coffee maker.
Keurig coffee maker that I've always wanted, along with my razor, which I've always wanted. And I just thought that maybe all the presents that I ordered for Maria are just not here yet. They're being shipped from her name.